PiNetwork achieves outstanding rank of number 2 on Taxon, a remarkable milestone for pioneers and PiNetwork core team. PiNetwork has reached a significant milestone, securing an impressive number 2 ranking out of 669 global competitors on Taxon. This achievement goes beyond just a numerical position. It serves as a testament to the tireless work, vision, and unwavering dedication of everyone involved in this extraordinary journey, from the PiNetwork pioneers to the core team. An impressive achievement competing against 669 global contenders, PiNetwork's number 2 ranking on Taxon highlights the rapid growth and influence the network is establishing in the cryptocurrency space. Taxon, renowned as one of the leading platforms for tracking blockchain network developments, has rightfully acknowledged PiNetwork for its contribution to the evolving cryptocurrency landscape. This ranking not only reflects PiNetwork's technical and operational progress, but also underscores the dedication and collaboration of its large and active community. Whether it's through mining Pi, participating in community-driven initiatives, or supporting the ongoing growth of the network, PiNetwork's pioneers have demonstrated that they are not merely followers, but the driving force behind this transformative ecosystem. The key role of the PiNetwork core team. Undoubtedly, this achievement would not have been possible without the instrumental role played by PiNetwork's core team. With a clear vision and a steadfast commitment, the core team has guided PiNetwork to a position where it is now recognized on a global scale. Their efforts have gone beyond technical development, ensuring that the network remains decentralized, secure, and accessible to anyone who wishes to participate. The PiNetwork core team has worked relentlessly to ensure that Pi is not just another cryptocurrency, but a revolution in the financial world, allowing more people to become part of the digital economy in an inclusive and secure manner. Their ability to balance technological innovation with a strong commitment to community engagement has been key to the project's success. What this achievement means for PiNetwork, securing the number 2 spot on Taxon, serves as a powerful reminder that PiNetwork is well on its way to becoming one of the most influential cryptocurrencies in the world. This success speaks volumes about the project's growth trajectory and its ability to build a robust ecosystem that thrives on collaboration and innovation. PiNetwork has proven that, with the right approach, focusing on accessibility through mobile applications and transparent KYC processes, it can create an inclusive ecosystem ready to take a leading role in the cryptocurrency space. As the open mainnet launch draws closer, PiNetwork is poised to fully demonstrate its potential to reshape the digital finance landscape. This achievement as a catalyst for motivation. For all PiNetwork pioneers, this ranking is not an endpoint, but a new beginning. It serves as a fresh source of inspiration to continue innovating, collaborating, and contributing to the PiNetwork ecosystem. Every milestone achieved is a collective effort that propels PiNetwork closer to its vision of becoming a leading digital currency in the global market. As more users join and the network garners greater recognition, PiNetwork's future looks increasingly promising. The number 2 ranking on Taxon is just one of many accomplishments that await PiNetwork in the years to come. Looking ahead, a bright future for PiNetwork. PiNetwork's achievement on Taxon is a major step forward in its journey toward global prominence in the cryptocurrency market. It is a clear demonstration that, with strong vision, dedicated effort, and a solid community backing, PiNetwork can hold its own among the industry's biggest players. With a clear roadmap ahead and a team that continues to innovate, PiNetwork is set to create new opportunities for its pioneers and solidify its place as a leading cryptocurrency. This ranking is just one milestone in a long journey, and PiNetwork is poised to make even greater strides in the future of crypto. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.